guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journey's family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell besides that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I'm doing another recipe video. It's not really cooking. I'm making vegan mayonnaise. Like my shirt? One of my subscribers told me I should make this shirt, so I made it. It says, "It's my kitchen. I cook how I want to cook," because I say that because it's my kitchen and I cook how I want to cook. You cook how you want to cook. So if you like my shirt, my shop is linked below. I think I can put it up here in the iCards as well. If not, just check below. You can get a link if you want to pick one of these up and support my channel. So anyway, today I am making vegan mayonnaise. Very simple and easy. It takes 2-3 minutes to make it. 5-6 ingredients. And you can substitute some of the ingredients with other things, and it's way cheaper than paying $4 or $5 for some mayonnaise, vegan mayonnaise at the grocery store. So if you're interested in seeing how to make some vegan mayonnaise, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, these are the ingredients that you're going to need. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 very little ingredients that you need to make it. So first, here I have 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1½ teaspoons of lemon juice. I just freshly squeezed lemon juice. I keep it in a container in the refrigerator. Once I squeeze one, I just squeeze the whole thing, and then I use it from whatever I'm cooking, because I use a lot of lemons when I cook. You have here 1/4 of a cup of Aquafaba, which is just 3 tablespoons, same difference. 3 tablespoons is 1/4 of a cup. Have this Aquafaba. This isn't Aquafaba from chickpeas. It's actually Aquafaba from northern beans. You can use any type of white bean so that your mayonnaise is white. People have that misconception that you're going to get Aquafaba from chickpea beans. Chickpeas is not. So northern beans, any type of white beans, you can get the same effect. I have 3/4 cup of oil. My oil is grapeseed oil. You can use any type of oil that you choose. I prefer grapeseed oil. I have 1/4 of a teaspoon of black salt. I got mine from Amazon. I'll link it below in case somebody is interested. But you probably can use white salt in its place. I just always use black salt because I bought a big bag when I started going vegan and was making recipes that needed a salty taste, like chickpea tuna, potato salad, what have you. I use black salt instead. So, but you can use white salt. I'm probably sure you just won't get that eggy taste. It's got a sulfur taste to it, which gives it that eggy taste. And then I have 1/2 teaspoon of dried mustard. You probably can use just Dijon mustard out the fridge. Probably, maybe this is 1/2 teaspoon, maybe it's the same amount. I don't know, I never used that, but I'm sure you probably could use 1/2 teaspoon of that, or maybe 1 teaspoon. I don't know what the equivalent of the dry versus the wet is, but check the back of the thing. Let me see, I can look on back here what is the equivalent to. Let's see if it tells you. No, it doesn't. But anyway, it's probably 1/2 teaspoon of dry is probably the same as 1 teaspoon of wet, I would say, but not 100% certain of that. So make it to your taste. But I'm going to use my immersion blender because I like to do it in a container I'm going to use it in. I would prefer to do it in a mason jar, but I don't have a wide mouth mason jar that my immersion blender would fit in. And since I don't have my NutriBullet anymore, I'm going to get me a new one. Then I just use this, or you can also do it in a food processor as well. First, I'm just going to pour in my liquids and try not to waste it. Let's see if I can get through a video without wasting something. Highly unlikely, but we will see. I'm going to start this. Okay, y'all, it's a little runny, but it gets thick. You put it in the refrigerator and it thickens up. It smells just like mayonnaise. Tastes like mayonnaise. If you want it to have that sweet taste like Miracle Whip, then add about 1/4 teaspoon of sugar or agave to it. Alright, that's a little thicker. The longer you run the immersion blender, the thicker it'll get. Alright, that is it. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. I don't eat a lot of mayonnaise. I use it in recipes because I don't really eat sandwiches too often. And the ones that I do eat, don't put mayonnaise on. I'm a mustard girl. But yeah, tastes just like mayonnaise. And this will keep about 2 weeks in the fridge. So let me get a spatula, show you guys the consistency. See, it's well thick. Once you put it in the refrigerator and it cools, it'll thicken up more. But that is your consistency. Okay guys, that is it. I do a little taste test with you. I used the little spoon that I use for the vinegar and you can use this to make aioli. You can put sriracha in it, make sriracha mayonnaise. You can also make chipotle mayonnaise, which I do like that a lot. But whatever flavor you want to make it, once you make the base, then go ahead and do that. I just like to make it up to use for my recipes, whatever I'm cooking that requires mayonnaise, because that vegan mayonnaise is expensive and I don't use it enough and it goes bad too quick to buy that. So I just make some up when I need some. And as you can see, it's very quick and easy. The longest part is putting it in the blender. You can put it in a high-speed blender, but I hate doing that because you got to scrape all around that thing and you leave so much in there. I don't like it. I prefer to use the emulsion blender. You don't have that much left on there. You can scrape what's on there off with a spatula. It isn't as difficult to get out and put into something, and you can make it right in the container you're going to use. I'm actually going to buy me some wide mouth canning jars because I'm going to start canning because of my garden. I'm going to start canning stuff, so I want some wide mouth jars for my canning. And I'm gonna buy some and then I'll make it in that instead of making it in this plastic jar. But let's taste it. Tastes just like regular mayonnaise. I think the black salt is what does it because it gives it that eggy taste. Black salt's not that difficult to find. I don't know if they sell in the regular grocery stores or not. When I bought mine, I just went on Amazon because that's what I do. I buy everything off of Amazon. So yeah, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and check up here in the iCards, I don't know which side it is, for some additional videos that I've made. And yeah, thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye. I put this in the fridge for my next recipe.